Grand jurors in Manhattan setting off a stunning legal earthquake Thursday, voting to indict a former president for the first time in history. The political aftershocks rippling across the country this morning, even while the specific charge or charges against Donald Trump remain secret and under seal. The district attorney's office saying it has, quote, contacted Mr. Trump's attorney to coordinate his surrender. Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg's investigation centers on the $130,000 2016 payment allegedly made to buy the silence of adult film actress Stormy Daniels, who claims she had an affair with Mr. Trump a decade prior. Mr. Trump has denied the affair or any other wrongdoing. On social media Thursday night, blasting the investigation as a, quote, political persecution and election interference at the highest level in history, and labeling DA Bragg a disgrace. The former president adding he, quote, cannot get a fair trial in New York. Republican lawmakers rallying to the former president's defense, from longtime allies.
This is going to destroy America. We're going to fight back at the ballot box.
To even potential 2024 campaign rivals.
The unprecedented indictment of a former president of the United States on a campaign finance issue is an outrage.
Congressional Democrats have largely praised the indictment decision as upholding the rule of law, while the White House has thus far stayed silent. The criminal processing of a Secret Service protectee will be another historic first, as Mr. Trump will have his mugshot taken, fingerprints, and even a DNA swab collected, all while his detail of agents stand guard. The case at the center of the indictment took off when Mr. Trump's former fixer, Michael Cohen, pled guilty to campaign finance violations in connection with those hush money payments, which the Department of Justice called an attempt to influence the 2016 presidential election. Cohen said he was acting at the direction of the former president, but Mr. Trump has pushed back, saying he was the victim of extortion by Stormy Daniels. Federal prosecutors ultimately decided not to pursue charges, but all eyes are now on Bragg as he makes his case against former President Trump. And this morning, we're also learning from two sources familiar with the grand jury's work that prosecutors questioned at least some witnesses about a previous alleged hush money payment, also from 2016, this one involving a former Playboy model named Karen McDougal, although it's not clear whether there are any charges in this indictment related to that matter specifically. Now, as for Tuesday, security here in New York City will be tight. All NYPD officers have been ordered to report in full uniform today and be prepared to be deployed ahead of any possible protests. Savannah?
All right, Garrett Haake leading us off. Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.